The misconduct of law enforcement agencies is one of the risk factors facing businesses in Ukraine. Visits of officials from the Tax Service, the Ministry of Interior Affairs, and the Prosecutor's Office have long become part of everyday life. Unexpected and sometimes unwarranted inspections, searches, and interrogations are often accompanied by brutality, arrests, seizure of property. Unfortunately, in many cases, the actions of law enforcement agencies are so appalling that the word misconduct sounds like an understatement. There have been cases of torture, blackmail, and holding people in undisclosed locations without access to their relatives or lawyers until the necessary evidence is provided. Security systems, passwords, safes are useless in this case. And even if you know whom to call in such emergency situation, you cannot be sure that they will come for help immediately at any time wherever you are. First of all, police is trying to limit communication with lawyers and family. You simply may not have the opportunity and time to get the phone, reach help person, and explain what is going on and where you are. After many years of law practice, the lawyers of Juscutum Attorneys Association have found a way to counter the police abuse. It is the mobile application called Legal Alarm. Legal Alarm is an emergency alert button for the immediate request of a qualified attorney to your location in cases of sudden searches, questioning, detention, incursion, etc. Qualified legal aid is provided by attorney of the Juscutum Attorneys Association, which specializes in the legal security of business. In emergency situation, you call app and click alarm button. It can be done in few seconds and hidden from police. After you press the button, the LA app will determine your location using GPS services and will track your route if your location changes. Using this data, lawyer will find you no matter where you are and come to provide help as soon as possible. The lawyer gets support and coordination from the back office once the call is received. Operators of the customer support center work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In order to deactivate the signal, click on the button again. You will be contacted by the operator. The alarm will be turned off only after a verbal confirmation, saying a password to the operator. If you are forced to say the password to the operator, name any other word. It will be regarded by us as an evidence that you are being pressured. The operator will do everything necessary so that people around you will consider the application is deactivated, but the attorneys will continue to work. In emergency situation, it is very important to call the attorney, but it is necessary to inform family and colleagues as well. Sometimes it is impossible to do it in regular way. Legal Alarm solves the problem by means of social media alarm function. When the button is used, the app may automatically make a post on social networks saying that you have problems with police and publishes your location data if necessary. Application also contains a number of free tips that will help a person to orientate oneself legally and ensure respect of one's civil rights in cases searches, interrogations and detentions at the time of such procedures. Hotlines collected in the app is a fast and effective solution to fight against corruption and police abuse. To receive service, download the application on App Store, code for free. Use instructions menu for free to orient oneself legally. Conclude client agreement on provision of legal services by contacting Juscutum AA. The app is designed to prevent misconduct of law enforcement officials. It doesn't collect or use the location data until the alarm alert is activated. All and any information transmitted via this application is subject to attorney-client privilege.